welcome, and today we are starting the process of breaking down our 60s something Teisco Japanese guitar. My son gave me this guitar. He found it in an old house and then gave it to me, and I'm gonna see if I can breathe some life back into it without doing a lot of harm to it. We want to restore it, but I want to keep this old look to it. So let's start taking some stuff apart, and let's see what we got here. Here we go. All right, let's just kind of lay it out here. I've got some Ziploc bags so I can keep things together, some small screwdrivers, and then my impact driver with a Phillips head bit. Let's just start taking stuff off. Let's take these tuners off. There they go. Coming right on out. Ooh. Okay, they don't look that bad, to be honest. Not bad at all. They definitely need cleaning, so I'm sure just some mild cleaning solution. I don't know what we'll do about these. We might put some new pegs on here. I don't know. We'll fill it out. We'll figure it out as we go. Let me tighten this guy back up. There we go. All right. I'll put this and all of its screws in its own bag. Let's take this bridge off. It shouldn't be that bad. 4 screws, right? Yeah. These are pretty rusted out. It looks like, at least on the top. So we'll try to replace those, if at all possible. It doesn't want to cooperate. What a shock. There we go. Uh-oh. Okay. We'll have to come back to that lower right one. We may have to drill it out. We'll definitely have to replace it because it's almost, okay, it's not almost stripped out. It is stripped out, so we'll come back to that. We'll have to drill it out. Let's see what we got going on with this saddle. It should just pop off, I would think. Yeah. There. Then these screws, if they're not stripped out, they were pretty rusted though. Yep, they're not gonna come out. Let's just see. Might put a little WD-40 on that. That might help, but probably gonna have to drill them out. Okay, that's all right. So it is. Let's take these strap pieces off. See if we can get them off. They're pretty loose. Yeah, there ain't much holding that baby on. Let's see if we can get this one out. Can we get you out? There it comes. That's good. That was easy. Maybe a little overkill, but I do want to keep this stuff together because it can get complicated, especially if we get down the road a few weeks and I'll forget what I've been working on. Let's go ahead and take the neck off. I'm hoping, see, at one point there might have been a serial number right here. I'm hoping we'll find some identification information in this neck pocket, but you never know because there's nothing else on it anywhere else. Ooh, okay. All right. Nah, nothing there either. That's all right. All right, yeah. So this is, I'm not familiar with this truss rod, but this is interesting. So I guess the way you adjust it is you put this in here and then you turn it, you know, like that. And, you know, when it's in the guitar, you can adjust it there just like that. So very different from a modern guitar, but I don't know, that might have been common at one time. But I was assuming this was a maple neck, but I really don't know. I will say this, I'm beginning to doubt that this is a Teisco. It may be some after Teisco variation, because one of Teisco's things was that they made a big deal about having a laminated neck, so that way it would resist warpage. But this is a one-piece neck. It's not laminated. At least it doesn't look like it to me. So another mystery to get into. And I don't know what kind of wood this is. I would assume it's maple, but if it is maple, it's very aged. And what, you know, you get on into here, of course, it's a good bit lighter, which leads me a little more towards maple. But this lacquer or shellac or whatever they got on here, it has aged, and I love it. I love the patina, but it's aged. So, I need to get these guys out of here too. Let's see if we can get these inserts out. Yeah, they're coming right out. There we go. All right. Oh, that may come off without pliers. It's kind of loose. It won't come off. I'm gonna have to get some little pliers. I can't find my regular pliers, but maybe these little needle nose pliers will do it. Yeah, it looks like they will. We'll take these little cap nuts off. Yeah. That pulls right out. There we go. All right, let me bag some stuff before I forget what I'm doing. All right, neck plate and neck screws. There we go. I put these plastic inserts in here with the tuning machines. I don't know if I want to put those back on there, if I want to upgrade them to something a little more modern. I don't know, I guess we'll just have to see. And I think I'll put that string guide in a bag by itself. Okay. Well, if I could just get these pieces off, that'd be great, but that's all right. We'll get them. We'll get them. That wire, I'm not really sure where it goes, you know. Maybe it comes back around here and it's attached to one of these under here as maybe a ground. I don't know, I guess we'll see. Oh yeah, it looks like when I move this, it's moving the wire. So that's just a ground wire that's probably attached to this screw. Oh, well, no, it's not. It's just laid up there so this can just sit on top of it. Okay, that makes perfect sense. That's the way I did my telly. All right. Okay. Well, we've got it pulled apart. I think that's okay. I'm going to do some cleaning and maybe a little more investigating. I have to start looking for some parts and start learning how to clean some of these parts, to be honest. So there we go. That is our first step. I'm not gonna shove it all into one video. We'll let this be step one, and then we'll come back as I'm ready to do another batch of stuff. So hey, thanks a lot for watching. I hope you learned something from this. I'm learning as I go. I've never done this before. So if you've got any information you'd like to share about these guitars or about this process and what we're doing, maybe some tips and advice, I'm open to it. So lay it on me. And if not, then just watch and learn and enjoy the process. And I think we'll have a good time. So thanks for being here. If you like this, please like it, and please leave us a comment. We would love to hear what you got to say. And if you're enjoying this, we're doing things like this all the time. We'd love to have you here on a regular basis. So we'd love for you to subscribe to our channel and come check us out all the time. Thanks a lot. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time when we do more on the guitar. Till then, see ya.